There's a little shop on Maple Street. Smells like sugar, but it's all make-believe. Foam layer stacked like a wedding dream. Painted frosting in a pastel theme. Paintbrush dancing in the afternoon light. Sequins shining like a neon night. She laughs when the glitter hits the floor, 'cause she knows it's coming back for more. She wipes her hands on her denim sleeve, but that sparkle never wants to leave. Oh, Daphne glitters spinning in the sun. Fake cake queen, but the sparkle's real fun. Covered head to toe by the time she's through. Shining brighter than a Texas moon. She says hope, love and faith every day, while the glitter clouds drift away.
Hi, this is Daphne with Glitter It Up with Daphne. So I bought these little ice cream bowls and they had little matching spoons, and they had the three colors, and I bought these at Dollar General, and I think they were $3 a piece. So I did some of the one-time lightweight spackling, and I mixed in uh, this is the almond cream crafters collection, and the canary yellow crafters collection, and then this is the apple barrel just white. So I mix those in, so only like a couple drops of this, and a squirt or so of the white. Not too much, because I found that when it's a little bit thicker, it scoops and looks more like real ice cream. So I was thinking about, so I made these cookies. They're just clay, and I use like puppy paint and the polymer clay sprinkles that I made. And I was thinking about just doing kind of simple, but I messed up on this one. So I thought, well, I kind of need to cover that up. So I have some of this. It kind of looks like chocolate syrup. So what this is it's just the like bathroom caulk. It's like all purpose. I bought this at Dollar Tree. So they used to have little tubes, but when I went last time they didn't. But I still have some left, so it lasts a long time. Like I've kept it in this bag and just sealed it up in a, like, we get lunch meat in these, and I kept it in that, and it's done pretty well. So anyway, you just mix like a little brown and black until you get to the color that you want. Actually, it takes quite a bit of paint to get to the color you want, but once you do that and it dries, it kind of looks like a chocolate syrup. I may have to Mod Podge them, but I can always do that like after it dries. So anyway, for right now, I'm just gonna top them, and I'm also gonna I have a 1M star tip with some of the one-time lightweight spackling with white paint, the apple barrel white paint mixed in it. So I'm gonna make it look like whipped cream, and then I'm gonna top them with some cherries. Just these I got at Hobby Lobby. So I'm gonna top those, and then probably put the cookie in there, and just also I have it's uh corncob bedding, so it kind of looks like nuts. So you can see it kind of, when you put them on it looks like nuts. So I'm probably gonna do that and a little bit of sprinkles and just kind of doll these up a bit. So anyway, that's what we're gonna do today. So I'll link the video of my ice cream cones to this. I don't even have that ice cream cone video up yet, but I've made ice cream cones, so you'll be able to see how I did the ice cream scoop. So I probably should have used the bigger size for this, but I was already using this, so I just went on and did that. And I think it took about 5 scoops. Yeah, because there's 4 you can see, and there's one underneath. So about 5 scoops to fill it up. If I'd have done the bigger, it wouldn't have taken as many. But anyway, it is what it is. So we're just gonna, I'm not sure exactly how this is gonna work, but I guess we'll figure it out as we go. I don't really need to do this part because the whipped cream will kind of cover it up. So I just want to kind of get a little bit of the top, kind of like that. Yeah, I think that's probably good enough. Maybe a little more. Yeah, that kind of looks good. Just little drizzles here and there. All right. Because the ice cream's already dry, none of this stuff is just going to really stick anywhere but where the chocolate is. But I'm not going to put a lot. I'm just going to put a little. Oh, you might as well stick your arm in it because that's how I roll. It wouldn't be me decorating if I didn't do that. Okay. I'm just going to put a few, just kind of for looks. Yeah, not a lot, but just a few here and there. And after this dries, I'll turn over and get out whatever the extra are. So I'm also going to add some sprinkles. Once again, I don't need like a lot, just a little. For one thing, the cookies have it on it. There we go. Now this one. I think that's pretty good. So now I'm going to do with the lightweight spackling and the white paint mixed together till it's pretty soft, and the 1M star tip. I'm going to try to make it look like whipped cream. Something like that. There we go. This one's going to be a little more challenging because I messed up on that one. I may have to go around it like this a couple times. But we'll get you there. There we go. So then I think the little cherries maybe are pretty good. Oh no, maybe not. There we go. That looks good. I like that. I guess I'm going with their little dusty. My house gets dusty so fast. I think my dogs just kind of bring it in. Some of this stuff is kind of harder to dust. I think I want to add a little bit of the glitter on the whipped cream. Not a lot, but a little. Just on the whipped cream. Oh, I think that came out really good. I wasn't sure if I would like this, but I'm liking it. I'm liking it. So you could just do like any kind of bowl of like a little dessert bowl or something that you pick up at a Dollar Tree. It doesn't have to be these. It's just that I got them and I just thought they were so cute. I couldn't pass them up. There we go. And so then now the only thing is to put the cookies in it. So I gotta decide how I want it. I think I want that to kind of take front and center. So it kind of looks like that. I guess each one can kind of be a little different, kind of has to be, depending on where it can go, on how I put it together, right? Maybe. Hmm. I know. Okay. Well, there we have it. My little ice cream sundaes. I think these are cute and they're going to look so cute in my front hallway. So, thank you for watching. This is kind of a little short one because I'd already done the ice cream in the thing. But anyway, I think they came out good and it's going to be fun to decorate. And I'm so ready. And I'm going to have the patriotic up all summer. I won't be taking it down until after Labor Day. So it's kind of like you get the most bang for your buck as far as like when you buy the decorations because I leave them up for Memorial Day, 4th of July, and then for Labor Day. So I try to stay away from anything that just say 4th of July. I just go for things that sound patriotic and have the colors, like home of the free, land of the brave, and stuff like that, or red, white, and blue, USA, just anything that's that kind of stuff. God bless America. So those are the kind of things I go for. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this, and please feel free to give a comment below because I love to hear from y'all, and like the video because that'll really help my channel grow. And don't forget to keep love, hope, and faith in your heart. I will talk to you later. Bye.